Okay, we're doing the cabin tour one more time. 8276 is the room. We are going in. Got the desk, which has been updated. Chair, lights. I believe they work. But we'll figure it out later. We gotta turn it on from back there. Oh, from back there we turn it on. So, turn it on from there. So the lights come on. We have the, this is the fridge cooler. It's a cooler. Yeah, it's a cooler. It's cold. It works.
Can you show us where to find the assembly station location on your CPAS card?
TV.
At your assembly station,
Bed.
if it was a real emergency, you'd have to put on a life jacket. It's
Bathroom.
a life jacket from Cool or the ocean. Can you show us how to put on a life jacket?
Which looks nice. And the closet. Okay, it's decent. It's decent. Good size.
Around your waist.
And the deck. The balcony. So the balcony is beautiful. We're on the 8th floor. A lot of space. Everything is great. Everything looks nice. One more pan, and that's that. 8276 on Voyager of the Seas.
They'll bring you to your assembly station to meet your family. Hey, Mika, remember when we went to the Aqua Theater and you met the Royal Caribbean performers? Can you show